Moment of truth. So, this is what the inside of an Iron Man helmet looks like when someone has no idea what they're doing and they start wiring it up. So, if you're new here, I'm building a couple of different Iron Man MK85s. Next one's going to have some servo motors going. Currently working with this one, trying to get clip-on magnet LEDs working. Going to be so cool. Last time we got it, we were getting it touching, so now we're going to need to work on getting these into place so that when we sit the mask in, we get the connection and the lights light up. When we take it off, it disconnects, so it's going to be magnet powered. You can see here I took my cutters, snip snip snip. This failed, these failed on the bottom. You've got to find that when you're printing stuff, you go away to work and you come back, the most annoying things have happened. Spaghetti on the bottom of the supports. This one, again, spaghetti on the bottom of the supports. It started to come away, so I've had to recalibrate that printer. And this one was printing beautifully, and again, a bit of spaghetti. Completely salvageable though. It just means I've got another 3 Iron Man masks to make. I'm quite happy about that, to be honest. So right now, my biggest issue is I need to get these magnets here. So I've got some extra 3D prints. These are all field prints, but I reckon I can use them if I attach that to the inside. Oops. Attach that to the inside. If I get the position right, you can see that should help with the fitment, and we'll have a nice click. So you can use 3D print in the background. I'm just going to use this little soldering now. You can just make a little hole in here, just so that this is flush. You can get some glue, obviously this is just going to be testing. We're using ones that actually wire up, and then we can get going through there. Put that in the back, to be honest. Let's get these wires on the go. Now I've managed to get these on and in place. Give them a glue, and then we should have an anchor point for things to put in place. Happy times. Really happy. I've got some 3D print glue. This is how you stuff. I don't know before the site I was using. So there you go. Let's see how it goes so far. Now I'm going to zoom that glue. I'm going to grab it out. So I'm going to once I've done that, you can see this is some really rough. Yeah, baby. Loving that. Absolutely loving it. Contact's not quite 100% on this side, you can see that. There we go. There we go. So, if you're new here, I'm building a couple of different Iron Man MK85s. Next one's going to have some servo motors. And I think you'd really enjoy it if you liked, subscribed for the rest.